Today, we embark on a delightful culinary journey, creating the perfect ham and cheese rolls. These rolls are not only easy to prepare, but also are a hit at any gathering or for a cozy family meal. The recipe's simplicity marries well with its delightful taste. To begin, select your preferred type of ham. Using a kitchen brush, lightly spread mayonnaise along the edges of the ham slice. Sprinkle a pinch of black pepper over the top layer. The pepper not only enhances the ham's flavor, but also adds a mild spiciness that complements the overall taste. Opt for 3 slices of Mosella cheese or any cheese that you prefer, layering one on top of another. Mosella cheese is known for its mild flavor and excellent melting qualities, making it a perfect fit for this recipe. Add a light dusting of powdered oregano over the cheese to infuse an aromatic and Mediterranean flair. Apply a final thin layer of mayonnaise over the top cheese layer and spread it evenly. This not only improves the flavor, but also secures the cheese during the rolling process. With your layers ready, roll the ham and cheese tightly, ensuring it's well compacted. Crack 2 large eggs into a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of milk, which helps to thin out the egg wash, making it easier to coat the rolls evenly. Next, set up your breading station with 3 separate containers. In the first container, place a generous amount of all-purpose flour. Finally, in the third container, add breadcrumbs. You can use traditional breadcrumbs or panko for a crunchier texture. Start by gently rolling each ham and cheese roll in the flour. Ensure they are completely covered with a light, even layer of flour. This step is crucial as it will help the egg wash stick to the rolls. After the flour, dip each roll into the egg wash. Allow the excess to drip off before moving to the next step. The egg wash not only helps the breadcrumbs to adhere, but also adds richness to the rolls. Finally, coat the rolls in breadcrumbs. Gently press the breadcrumbs onto the surface of each roll to ensure a solid coating. This will give your rolls a wonderful texture and crunch once fried. For an extra crispy exterior, consider double coating the rolls. Simply dip them in the egg wash and breadcrumbs a second time. Heat a good amount of oil in a frying pan over medium-high heat. You want enough oil to cover the rolls halfway, ensuring even cooking. Once the oil is hot, carefully place the breaded rolls in the pan. Don't overcrowd the pan to maintain a consistent oil temperature and to ensure each roll is evenly cooked. Fry the rolls for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side or until they are golden brown and crispy. Use tongs to gently turn the rolls, ensuring they brown evenly on all sides. Once the rolls are beautifully golden and crispy, remove them from the oil and place them on a paper towel-lined plate. This will help absorb any excess oil, keeping the rolls crispy but not greasy. Serve the ham and cheese rolls hot for the best experience. They can be accompanied by various dipping sauces like honey mustard, ranch, or even a spicy mayo. These rolls are perfect as an appetizer, snack, or even as a main dish when paired with a fresh salad or your favorite side dishes.